I'm Sri Hari. Well, I'm back with another surprise for you. Do you want to know what it is? Today, technology is imbibed into our lives and they have become an extension of our personality, even. So, when you go out with your smartphone, your laptop, or your earphones, you want it to reflect your style, right? Well, we have always strived to make stylish and trendy design, but there's one particular product category we are especially proud of. The one category that even today is overlooked when it comes to design, the power banks. From the first product to the latest Realme power bank 2, our power banks stand out from the ocean of boring looking designs and more importantly make you stand out. It was functional too and came with a rare USB Type-C input-output port along with the standard USB-A port that put out up to 18 watts of power and supported popular standards like quick charge, AFC and even USB power delivery. And who can forget the beautiful Pantone Blue Special Edition? Ah, so cool. We surely set a high standard when it comes to power banks, but today we want to even top that. We want to give you guys the most stylish, the most powerful power bank, the mightiest of them all. Introducing the all-new Realme power bank with a lightning fast 30-watt fast charging. Today we are bringing the brand new 30-watt power bank, the fastest, the most powerful from the Realme family. No matter where you are, you will always have this lightning fast power in the palm of your hand. Let's talk about the design, something that you rarely hear in a power bank keynote. We have retained the ergonomic shape that we perfected with our previous power banks and have managed to keep the thickness to a mere 17 millimeters. The power bank with all that power only weighs 230 grams. We wanted to use a finish that gave the premium feeling of power and premiumness, and that was carbon fiber for us. This carbon fiber finish looks suave in black, but oh, that yellow, you're going to want to flaunt that. Let's have a look at the ports. As you can see, the Realme 30-watt Dart power bank comes with a USB Type-A port, which can output up to 30 watts. The special one though is that two-way input-output USB-C port that not only charges other devices at up to 30 watts, but even enables you to charge the power bank at up to 30 watts. The Type-C output port also means for all those devices that have Type-C to Type-C cable, you finally have a power bank worthy of your device. While the Realme Dart power bank can charge up to 30 watts, we've specially designed it to work with devices that only require a fraction of that power. Simply double tap that power button and the Dart Charge power bank will enter a low current mode for our AIoT devices and accessories to charge safely. This unique charging system assures long-term battery life, making the most out of your AIoT devices. As for the battery, the Realme 30-watt Dart power bank is built with top-grade 10,000 mAh high-density lithium polymer battery cells. This means minimal capacity loss even after numerous charging cycles. Now, is this power bank only for Realme devices? Well, we are nicer than we look. Hence, we designed it to be compatible with not just Dart Charge, but also VOOC, Super VOOC, and other fast chargers. That's not all. The power bank is compatible with Quick Charge, AFC, USB power delivery, and more. And now that last one, USB power delivery, combined with the USB Type-C port means that all you latest MacBook owners out there, you now have a power bank that can actually charge your laptop. But as they say, with great power comes great responsibility. Hence, we have incorporated 15 layers of charge protection to our power bank for a safe charging experience. Let's recap. The Realme 30-watt Dart Charge power bank comes with a trendy design and premium carbon fiber finish, 30-watt two-way Dart Charge, a 10,000 mAh high-density battery, support for some of the world's most popular fast charging standards, 15-layer charge protection, and low current mode for AIoT devices. Well, now for the moment that you have all been waiting for, the price. Well, here it is. Check out the price of the all-new 30-watt power bank, soon to be available on realme.com and Flipkart. Now, before I bid adieu, let's check out the two new products we launched today, the Realme C11 and the Realme 30-watt power bank. The new Realme C11 and Realme 30-watt power bank will be available on realme.com, Flipkart, and will also soon be coming to offline stores.